today?
Having, I don't know.
You're having breakfast? We don't know what we're doing yet, but at least we're saying good morning.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, do you need a napkin? Okay.
Okay, I'm out here today because I'm going to be working on my truck. The idler pulley and tensioner pulley out of the truck have gone bad. Well, I don't know. One of them's bad. I don't know which one, but I'm going to replace them both. So that's what I'm doing. I kind of been putting it off, but it's getting to the point where it needs to be done. So that's what I'm going to be working on. Luckily, it's not like yesterday. It was really, it was kind of warm out, so it was real wet. So I didn't want to do it because it was just real yucky out. But today's a lot colder, so everything's kind of frozen up and not dripping all over the place and stuff, so it's not too bad. So that's what I'm going to do.
So the girls are having a little tea party today. Very nice. They have candy and garlic bread and tea.
Well, but we put water in it. And we're pretending that.
And we're watching the Santa Claus movie.
And we're pretending that this is sugar.
Oh.
Sugar, please. Thank you.
Are you Minnie Mouse, Charlie?
Yeah. And those are her pets over there.
Ooh.
They're just standing, kids are watching. We have plates over these because we don't want to get the taste buds.
Very nice.
Okay, all done. It was probably, I don't know, less than 10 minutes. I think it took longer to clean the snow off the hood than it did to change the two pulleys. So anyway, that's done. And now back inside where it's warm. What is going on down here?
We did nothing of this.
You didn't do this?
It was just Mother Nature. Yeah, Mother Nature.
Oh, this was Mother Nature.
Yes,
Right.
Mother Nature.
Okay. I think you need to start picking some stuff up.
No, Mother Nature does.
You know, you do. What, Charlie? Okay, but you need to come help your sister pick this up, okay?
Well,
It won't take you that long.
this is really good decoration.
It didn't take you that long to make it messy.
It did. It took all day.
You just pick up all the dresses. That'll be the first thing. Just first thing, pick up all the dresses. And then you'll move on to the next thing. Just do one thing at a time.
Make it pretty. Make it decoration.
Sam,
Right.
you gotta get it picked up.
Charlie's gonna help
Both of
me.
you. Both of you. Okay?
I feel like I wish I was a fairy because then I could just do this. And this all clean. Then it would be clean. Then I would just be like, oh, lazy.
Okay. You guys start working on cleaning. That looks much better. Good job, girls. Cool.
But the bedroom is not clean.
Okay, well you can work on the bedroom next.
Good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Put a thumbs up if you like our videos. Remember to subscribe. Leave a comments down below. What, Charlie? Leave a comments down below. You ever... I don't know.
You don't know. How about cleaned up the whole playroom?
How clean up the playroom.
You did a good job.
And Zane is right there.
Yep.
Hello. He's not in the video.
He is now.
He's not in here. He's gonna say hi.
Okay.
He says hi. Hello.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye. Peace out, kids. Peace and mommy.